The guy was in my car. The wind just blew, right? So I'm literally holding. Okay. There you go. He's coming into view. Look at that little guy. We're gonna put him back into nature. I only rolled my window down for a second. There's so much pollen out here and stuff, but it's all good. We're gonna put you back where you belong, buddy. So you can grow into whatever you're supposed to be. Yeah, you'll be alright. It's got plenty of nutrients there. Where are you? There you are. Okay. You should be good, buddy. Enjoy your life. Life is worth living. There you go. Yeah. Our good deed for the day, Looney Tunes. Yeah.